this. We just brought it in.
Nice brim.
Nice brim.
Artlist
We didn't get it on film though.
Yeah.
We'll film the release of that. So that snag over there. Good job.
Once that you feel that wind come up, maybe just put it on too.
Music licensing
Just
reimagined.
like this. Like this. Drag, pulls, comes down. What do you think on mine?
Yep.
Oh. Definitely. How big? Small?
Oh, that was just one big one.
Did he?
Music licensing reimagined.
They like this lure, hey?
I love cicadas.
Oh!
Oh yeah.
Artlist IO.
Yeah. Yeah. Huh? No, we're going past them now. No.
Music licensing reimagined.
Alright. The one in front of me? There's more of them up here, hey? Me?
That was a good fish.
Oh, yes! Got him! No!
Artlist IO.
He's gone, hey? He's out of here. Reg, we just need to go between these branches. You need to concentrate here. Reg, you really need to concentrate.
Music licensing reimagined.
Oh, I'm so annoyed. I didn't hook set him hard enough. He was big too. I felt him. He was like massive. No. Hook up.
There was like 3 of them and they were all inside.
Oh!
That was good.
Artlist IO.
Yeah, one more. Yeah, definitely. No, he's just fell. Yes! But look!
Music licensing reimagined.
That's so good.
Reggie. Need pliers. Oh. Yeah, oh no, got him. Look at this, guys. Little Brimbo. Not bad. Big buffs for a little fish. Yeah, we got him. Beautiful. We're just going to put him back. He's gone. And he flung his dung on me.
Artlist
Love
IO.
it. Yes! We're both 1-on-1. Woohoo!